All right, guys, welcome to the $4.97 a day system. This is so simple, it's going to make your head spin. Basically, there's two buttons below. First step is you're going to get your ClickFunnels Classic free trial. So click on that. And then you want to try it for free. And make sure you're on this one. Do not click this one here. Do not go to ClickFunnels 2.0. Start your 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels Classic. That's the one you want to do, okay? That is step one. So once you signed up there, the next step you're going to do is click on this button here, and it's going to import this funnel completely for you. So all you need to do is hit Add Funnel, and that is it. That's all you need to do for this this setup. And then the next thing you want to do is click on Go to Step 3. All right, that's it. See you in Step 3.